Hey everybody, welcome back. Hope you had a good holiday weekend. Gonna do a daily recap today on three tickers. Want to talk about trades on CLSN, ALT, and Mark. So let's just get right into it. CLSN multi-day runner. It's been giving the shorts a bit of a difficult time, so I figured, if it's set up, I would go for a scalp on it. Got in a little bit late. I could have taken some of these earlier entries, but I missed this first pop. However, I saw it come down, hold, and then start to curl. So I go ahead and I take 1,000 shares at 322.8, and I get an instant pop, sell it at 348. Just lock in very quick $250 on that. So that was a nice trade, nice and fast. I wasn't going to stay in it too long because it is overextended on the multi-day, and my entry was kind of late, so I just locked up a very fast win on that. We've got alt multi-day runner. This one's been on a tear. But, I mean, I've had a difficult time playing it on the long side. It's kind of choppy, unpredictable, somewhat predictable, I suppose, but I had a hard time with it. I didn't capture nearly as much upside as I could have, but essentially I see this morning run, which I just didn't get involved in, but it pulls back, it holds on VWAP very well, it reclaims it. I take the 823 entry and just get basically straight upside. I put in a sitting limit at 858 just to lock up a quick win, and again that is about $300 win, $350 win. Yeah, that was a pretty decent trade. So, singles that up, that's over $500 right there. And then I'll just go over these trades on Mark real quick. Okay, so Mark has been a multi-day runner. You can see once it got over that 195 level, it really started to rip. And this was from Friday. It got up to close to 234 this morning, which it's Tuesday this morning. It gapped up, had a pre-market run, kind of pulled back. You can see it got over that 268 former high, which is why I was watching it, and it got over that in pre-market. So it pulled back. I didn't get involved. I just let it consolidate. Once it held gains into the afternoon, that's when I felt more comfortable with it, and that's when I started to take an entry. So I took 3,000 shares at 278. I tried to be patient, but there was a huge wall at 290 once it got knocked down. I just sold it at 288, locked up 300. I tried to get back involved on this 3rd-minute surge. Took 3,000 shares at 286. We tested the key 290 level, but we got rejected again. I didn't want to risk it. I sold off at 288, so I made $60 on that. We double bottomed at 285 and started to curl up. That's when I took 3,000 shares at 288, anticipating the 290 breakout. We got the 290 breakout, and I sold into strength at 299, locked up another $300. So I made, in total, $660 on the name. I did try to scalp the $3 breakout. I bought 3,000 shares at 3. I had a sitting limit at 305. Didn't get hit, and then it came down real fast, and I didn't want to get, I didn't want it to come down on me, so I just cut for a break-even trade. So in total, green on the day, $1,320. It was a good day. It's a nice way to start the week. Sure, on tickers like alt, I did leave some profits on the table. It did have a lot of upside, and I didn't capture most of it. But you know what? I traded what I was comfortable with. I locked in profits, and I'm starting the week with a big green day. So I'm happy. Hopefully, I continue trading good for the rest of the week. If you liked the video, you can like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.